Boo-Boo's sharing time.
The product I want to share today is a bamboo easy-to-fold 4-layer shoe rack. Ventilation and ventilation, rounded corners, thickened X-shaped bracket, installation-free design 10 seconds to complete. The product can be opened smoothly without additional twisting screws, etc. Just open the shelves step by step and in sequence. It is stable after installation. And the thickness does not exceed 10 cm after folding. It is also very simple to store. Final display. MagicBamboo will continue to introduce more great products. Please follow us. Thanks for watching.